A hugely popular choice that many homeowners and self-builders are going for is to open up part of the house with a large glazed door, be it bifold or sliding. This is usually used at the rear of the home to connect the house with the garden, but any room that employs one of these systems will benefit from better links between indoors and outdoors. So which one should you specify?
There isn't a great deal of difference in the energy performance of bifolds and sliders, provided that the frames are made from the same material types. A good quality bifold or slider should be able to achieve a U value of 1.2 to 1.4. A U value is the measurement of heat loss through the component parts of a door as a whole. It's important not to get the overall U value mixed up with the centre pane U value of the glass. You should always check this with your potential supplier. The thickness of the frame or the sight line will affect your views. Sliding doors can achieve larger panes of glass with minimal framework. However, with a sliding door, there will always be part of the door that won't be open. Bifolds will have more panels and potentially thicker frames, but once opened leave a completely unobstructed view. For much larger openings, bifolds can often work out as being more cost effective, as generally each pane of glass will be smaller. A good quality bifold system should be able to cope with panel widths of up to 1200 millimeters. Opening out the whole of the door in the warmer months really connects the inside and outside spaces, forming one cohesive space for dining and entertaining. Sliding doors have the benefit of achieving much larger pane sizes than a bifold door and really come into their own on larger apertures. I'd really consider a slider over a bifold once you get to 5 meters plus on the aperture width. Generally, with regards to frame thicknesses, you would pay more for a door with slimmer frames due to the higher level of engineering involved to produce a slim frame, which keeps its strength and conforms to all of the standards required to meet building regulations. With any option, it's very important to look at the security aspect. Part Q of the building regulations for new builds requires security testing to be carried out to a certain standard by a UCAS approved testing house, and your supplier should be able to show you evidence of this. It's also good to check the air permeability ratings, the U values, and of course the supplier's warranty.